astronaut has crashed. But DOC McStuffins can fix any toy that needs fixing. Look for these doctor tools Doc can use to help Zero. Splish, splash! Sir Kirby the Knight has filthy, icky, sticky disease, so Doc is giving him a bath. Try to spot Sir Kirby and these bathtub toys. Doc, Donnie, and Elma are playing music. It sure sounds sweet. See if you can spot these instruments. Doc and her dad have decorated their house for Halloween. See if you can spot Sebastian the ghost and this other fun spooky stuff. It's snowing. Help Doc, Chili, Lambie, and Stuffy find these parts to make the perfect snowman. Happy Valentine's Day, Doc! Find these things that Doc and her friends can use to make pretty cards for each other. Dad takes Doc, Donnie, and their toys on an overnight camping trip. Look for Robot Ray and these other things. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more DOC McStuffins stories, check out my DOC McStuffins playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for your support, and we'll see you all next time.